Good morning, you guys. It is currently 4:02. I think that's a little wrong, but I think it's around 4:15ish, and we're heading to the happiest place on earth. I know I'm a little crazy today, but I have high hopes to see the Rock today, so we're getting there early. Again, hopefully, I'm gonna break this habit right now. I'm gonna try to not say where, because sadly Edwin's not going, but he gifted me this trip, so I'm forever grateful, and let's pray that I can see the Rock. It's so early that we have ambulances and fire trucks and stuff going by. I don't know what's going on, but we're heading there. Alright guys, so I didn't film the coming through security because it was a little chaotic. People were running in front of me, but we're here. We're at the front gate. This is Sarah. Say hi, Sarah. And then Marcella is here. Wow. We've got Noah and...
my name is Gamma. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you. So we're waiting to go in, hopefully soon. We see some, there's some people already in there, but they have little freebie giveaway thingies, so we're gonna see what's going on. I'm hoping that it's really exciting once we walk in. Alright, so we're waiting to go in, but if you guys see over there, they've got something. Yeah. We made it, guys! We're here on the red carpet. There's nobody here yet, but we're here. That's all that matters. Look at these fun little backdrops that they have. They got the Jungle Cruise world premiere. And then there's some more over here. Let's go check it out. Behind the scenes action. Daisy's here for the red carpet event. She's getting her wardrobe ready. So we did ask, and like we thought, this is just a closed off event for press, media, all that jazz. So fans are not welcome to view the premiere tonight, but that's okay. We're here, we're enjoying all the photo ops and area they have for us. There you can see the backdrop, and then again more little photo ops up here. Update for you guys. It is currently, what time is it? 2:47, so almost 3 o'clock. Nothing has gone on yet. We've heard word that it'll be between 6 and 6:30. So we've got about 3.5 hours to wait, but we're just chilling here. If you're curious where I'm at, I'm in front of Small World, but kind of in front of the big sign over here. So we're just trying to stay out of the way because they want the walkway clear, which is understandable. So we're staying off to the side in hopes that we can jump in there as soon as they allow people to go stand up to the gate. So wish us luck. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, we made it. We are here at the premiere. We are in the front row. All right, guys, we made it. If you guys don't want to be in my video, sorry. You're in it anyways. But we made it. We're in the front row. Hey, Marcella, we're here.
All day.
Front row. Look at this. Woo! We made it to the front of the line. We really did get discouraged because they told us earlier that they were going to kick us out, that nobody that was not pre-selected could stay in this area. And so we were really bummed, and we were hanging out way over there. That's where they told us to hang out. And then some of the management came out and they put down this magical tape, and we booked it over. And we got the front row. We didn't give up, right?
Nope, didn't give up.
Marcella?
Nope.
Did you give up?
Nope.
Nope, we're not giving up. We're not quitters, because we're here for The Rock and we're gonna see him. We got amazing, I keep wanting to say seats. We're not seated, we're standing. But look at this. Let's just look at the sea of people, guys. And we're in the very front. Look at this.
Holy crap, wait. It's like yeah. Oh,
But we do have about an hour and a half. Well, no, I think it's down to like an hour now before anything starts. So we'll share more of the fun then. So that was the day. I know that my videos got really shaky towards the end when The Rock came out. I could not control myself. I was crying. I was shaking. There's Mickey and Minnie. But we're calling it a night. I got to see my love, The Rock. He was gorgeous. Although we were far away, I still got to see him. And that is enough for me. You know, would it have been cool to see him up closer? Absolutely. But the fact that I got to see him is good enough for me. We're gonna call it a night. Thank you, Disneyland. Thank you, my love, for allowing me to be here today and getting my ticket, setting it all up, and just making sure that I was able to come and see the one person that I've been dying to see my entire life. So thank you. Here we'll close out the night with Mickey and Minnie.
Good evening, friends. Our nighttime spectacular, Mickey's Mix Magic, will begin in just 15 minutes. Thank you for joining us.